Meaning of humph.
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 humph,
Humph. Humph is an interjection used to indicate disbelief, disagreement, or dissatisfaction. It is often accompanied by a slight snort or exhale of breath through the nose. This expression can convey a range of emotions from minor annoyance to outright anger, depending on the context in which it is used. The term may also be associated with a dismissive or aloof attitude, as it suggests a lack of interest or engagement with the subject at hand. Overall, humph is a simple yet versatile utterance that can convey a variety of emotions and attitudes.